A woman smiled in court because she believed she had done the right thing. 30-year-old Chatace Renee Jackson, wearing a green and white jail uniform, appeared in court today. She is now charged with capital murder after Birmingham police say she ran over the father of her children in front of them on Easter Sunday. The victim, McKees Bostic, was hosting a celebration that day for both Easter and his daughter's 7th birthday. According to police, Jackson, his longtime girlfriend, and the mother of his children drove an SUV into Bostic, pinning him between the car and the house, while family members watched helplessly. Investigators say the couple had been arguing throughout the day. Police had previously responded to a domestic disturbance call, but left when they found no immediate crime. However, Jackson later returned, and the argument escalated. Witnesses say she pulled out a gun and fired several shots. It's still unclear whether she fired into the air or directly at someone. Things then took a horrifying turn. Witnesses report that Jackson got into her car and drove directly at Bostic. The children were possibly in the vehicle and may have witnessed everything. Police arrived at the scene around 10 p.m. to find chaos. With around 50 people present and emotions running high, they initiated a level 1 emergency response. Officers from 4 jurisdictions and 25 police units were called in to control the crowd. Fire and rescue teams tried to save Bostic, but he was pronounced dead at the scene. Bostic's sister, Catherine, told the media that family members desperately tried to save him but couldn't. She added that the children were inside the car, watching as their father was struck. Under Alabama law, if prosecutors can prove intentional killing and that a child witnessed the death of a parent, the charge can be elevated to capital murder. Jackson was arrested and held during a 48-hour felony review and has now been formally charged with capital murder. In court, Jackson appeared to smile, even laugh, showing no sign of remorse. Legal expert Derek Drennan says the defense may argue mental health issues in an attempt to reduce the charges. What do you think? How many years should this woman receive for what happened? Share your thoughts in the comments.